Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Cassie, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today we are going to be making Snow Fluff. Are you ready to make something? To make Snow Fluff, you will need cornstarch, shaving cream, food dye, a measuring cup, a mixing bowl, and a spoon. Keep in mind this project will be messy, so be sure to ask a grown-up before you decide on a space to make. First, measure out 1 cup of cornstarch into your mixing bowl. You can definitely use a scoop instead of pouring like I did. Patience wins. Then, measure roughly a cup of shaving cream. Add it with your spoon to your cornstarch in the mixing bowl. Starting out with 1 cup is just a precaution. You probably have to add more later, so don't be afraid. Now we're going to add our favorite snow color to the mix. Add 5 to 7 drops of your favorite dye. Mix it up. It'll get messy and dye stains, so try to wear gloves and keep your clothes far, far away. Mix your ingredients until it becomes like grated Parmesan. It should be flaky and break apart easily. Give it a test squeeze with your hands. It should hold its shape like dough, but when you press on it, it should break apart. If it is too wet, it means that it is lacking cornstarch. If it is too dry like mine and wouldn't hold its shape, you're going to need more shaving cream. So don't be afraid to add a little at a time until you get the consistency you need. What's happening? The tiny pieces of cornstarch get mixed into the shaving cream and suspended in the mixture. Shaving cream is made of tiny, tiny bubbles, and the surface tension on the surface of the bubbles help float them in the cornstarch particles when the two mix, giving you a fun snow. Go ahead and shape it into your favorite snow person, any shape that you can think of, maybe even build a snow castle. Have fun, guys! Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making Snow Fluff with us. We want to see your finished projects. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it to Instagram using the hashtags #TheMondayMake, one word, and hashtag Mach1PPL. That's hashtag MACH1PPL. Don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?